We're going to explain how to find a Remedy IT Service Management (RITM) record based on an Active Directory AD user. This is useful for tracking requests submitted by specific employees. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on your system's setup and access. We'll cover a few common methods. 1. Using the Remedy search functionality. This is the most straightforward approach. Most Remedy instances have a powerful search feature. You'll typically log into the Remedy portal, access the RITM module, and then use the search bar. The key is finding the right field to search against. You may need to search by the requester field, assigned to field, if the user is assigned to the ticket, or by the submitted by field, if that field accurately reflects the AD user who made the request. Input the AD user's email address or their username. The exact format depends on your Remedy system's configuration, into the search field and press enter. The search will return all RITMs where the specified user is related. Remember to use exact matches or wildcards. Depending on the search engine's capabilities, you might need to refine the search criteria. For example, if you are looking for a specific type of RITM, add that to the search criteria. 2. Using Remedy's advanced search or query language. If the simple search isn't sufficient, Remedy often provides an advanced search or a query language, like AR Systems Filter or a SQL-like query language. This allows for more complex queries. You would construct a query specifically to retrieve RITMs where the requester field, or a similar field, matches your AD user's details. This might involve specifying the exact username or email, using wildcards to match part of a username, or using comparison operators, etc. With date fields if you are interested in a particular time period. The syntax will depend heavily on your specific Remedy instance's configuration, and it's best to consult your Remedy administrator or documentation for the correct syntax. 3. Accessing data through reporting tools. Your Remedy system might integrate with reporting tools like business objects or crystal reports. These tools can access the underlying Remedy database and allow you to generate reports based on specific criteria. You could create a report that filters RITMs by the requester field and shows information for a specified AD user. This method provides a more organized and visually appealing overview of all related RITMs. If you're not familiar with the reporting tools, this method might need help from your system administrator or someone familiar with your specific reporting setup. 4. Using APIs or integrations. If you are comfortable with programming, you could use the Remedy API to retrieve RITM data programmatically. This method provides automation and flexibility. You would create a script, in a language like Python, that interacts with the API, fetches written data, and filters that data to show the ones associated with your AD user. This method might require more technical expertise, but it's most efficient if you need to automate this process or integrate it into other systems. Remember to check documentation for your specific Remedy version's API. Remember to always comply with your organization's IT policies and security protocols when accessing and handling sensitive data. The exact steps might slightly vary depending on your organization's Remedy implementation, but these methods provide a general framework for locating RITMs associated with specific AD